Ross has got the trucks.
Presenting the 2015 Ram 1500. It's powered by a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. The features include alloy rims, heated outside mirrors, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes, hill start assist, privacy glass. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, a backup camera, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Ross has got the trucks, man. Ross has got the trucks. Right now you're in luck, man. Ross has got the trucks and Jeeps and vans, man. Do the best that you can, man. 2-wheel, 4-wheel, everyone's a good deal. Ross has got the trucks.